Hello, in this video I will examine the indicator Bheurekso pattern on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator identifies 6 well-known reversal candlestick patterns on the chart for us, and it both shows them with a symbol and writes their names on the chart. These patterns include the harami pattern, the engulfing pattern, the piercing pattern.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Which in its bearish form is called the dark cloud, the hammer, and shooting star patterns, the morning star and evening star patterns, and the dogee pattern. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option, if set to true, will issue an alert for us. Now, for which patterns will an alert be issued? We can specify amongst this in the following options. For the bullish harami, if this option is true, an alert will be issued. For the bullish dogee, if this option is true, an alert will be issued. And similarly, for all patterns here, we have alerts, with the default being that all of these are true, meaning alerts will be issued for all patterns. The next option is the font size of these texts on the chart, which are the names of the patterns that we can adjust. The color of these texts, the color of the arrows for the bullish state, the color of the arrows for the bearish state, and the number of candles that come in the past chart, and perform calculations on them. Let's see the live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see the live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.